Hi, this is Dr. Yanning Liang from Toronto area. So today I want to share with you how to put in eye drops without trickling down your cheek. So I have iritis, an inflammation of my iris before, and I have this eye drop. It's actually a white liquid. Usually I have to shake it and then I'll put it in my eye. So I'll show you this time. Usually you don't need these kind of eye drops. You may just need eye drops for dry eyes or sometimes for allergy or other cases for glaucoma or infections. So this one, what I do is I just lower my lower eyelid and then I put the drop over. So I might still trickle a little. Oh yeah, so that's not how you should do it. I put it in a little bit higher. So you can still see that some part came out, but I can just wipe it. I'm gonna try it again here, just a little bit higher, looking at the eye drop. So that's inside my eyeball mostly now, as I can feel. And you can just wipe off the extra. Okay. If you find it useful, please click like and share with your friends. Thanks.